In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the Asana extension from the Chrome Web Store to quickly create tasks while browsing the web. This is a simple workflow that can save you time, especially if you often come across articles, pages, or resources that you want to turn into actionable tasks right away. Instead of copying links manually and switching back and forth between tabs, you can do everything directly from your browser in just a few clicks. To get started, install the Asana extension from the Chrome Web Store. Make sure you're using the Chrome browser, then open the Chrome Web Store and search for the Asana extension. Once you find it, add it to Chrome and wait a moment for the installation to finish. After that, you should be able to see the Asana icon in your browser toolbar. If it doesn't appear right away, you may need to check your extensions area and pin it so it stays visible for easy access. Next, click the Asana icon in your browser toolbar and log into your account. This connects the extension to your workspace so you can begin creating tasks directly from the browser. Follow the sign-in prompts and complete the login process. Once you're signed in, the extension will be ready to use whenever you're browsing online. Now, while browsing any website, click the extension icon whenever you find a page you want to save as a task. One of the most useful features here is that the extension can automatically grab the URL of the page you're currently viewing. Depending on how it appears in the extension, that link may be added as the task name or included as an attachment. This helps preserve the exact page you were looking at, which is especially useful for research, reading lists, follow-ups, or team collaboration. Before creating the task, take a moment to fill in the task details. Assign it to the appropriate project, choose a due date if needed, and add a description to give more context. A clear description can make the task much easier to understand later, especially if you're saving multiple links throughout the day. Including a short note about why the page matters or what action needs to be taken can be very helpful. When everything looks correct, click Create Task. Your task will then be added to Asana with the website information attached, making it easy to return to that page and continue your work later. And that's it. With the Asana Chrome extension set up, you can turn anything you find online into an organized task in just a few seconds.